It is another beautiful day in Ohio, and I'm at Horns Hill Greenhorn Trail, and I am riding today my 22 Specialized Levo Expert. Picked this bike up late last summer from the bicycle shop in State College, Pennsylvania, thanks to my good buddy Grant there. And today is my second ride back. 7 weeks ago, I got a bionic right hip, titanium, ceramic, plastic. Got the okay to get back to riding, no impacts, so I got to grease the jumps. I don't really jump anyhow. But this bike, I thought it'd be fun to bring it over here to Horns today. I downloaded the new software, the new firmware update, which has the super cool jumps distance, and jump airtime. I've done 14 jumps so far. Last jump, I jumped 92.5 inches and looks like 0.42 seconds of hang time. I stay on the ground, especially now with my bionic hip for a while. But I love this bike. It is a Mullet. I'm a moto guy, so I like the smaller rear wheel, bigger front wheel. That 29er rolls over everything. I also like that Specialized has the shorter rear triangle, the 442s. I run this bike stock head angle, but I have the chip in the low position, so that brings the bottom bracket down. Probably kicks the head angle out about a half a degree. So I think 64.5 stock, so I must be around 64 now. And I'm 6'2", 190 pounds. I like the Fox suspension on this bike. I really like everything about it. I really think Specialized has done a great job with these bikes. I did do one mod to it. I put a pair of 1-up bars. My buddy Grant hooked me up with these. I love these bars. They have some nice flex. They're 35 mil rise, so a little taller for me. But let's take it for a run down the trail, and we'll see how it. I just like how these bikes feel. Now, number one, I haven't ridden in over 2 months, so it's just fun to be back out on the bike again. And these Levos, the Broses, are nice and powerful motors, and they're so quiet, no gear rattle because they got the belt drive. And this bike, it's all carbon, so it feels relatively light. And it's a S4. I could have ridden an S5, but I just like the little smaller feel of the S4. Oh man, it's just fun to be on the bike. The Fox suspension, very adjustable, tunable, which I like. This is, of all my e-bikes, my favorite one. Just feels so cool, and with the mission control app, it's so tunable. That smooth power from the Brose motor. I have the acceleration response turned up 60%. It just gives me a little more lively kick on the pedals, especially if you're climbing technical stuff. So, and generally, these Brose motors are pretty quiet. The Bosch motor's got a little rattle. The Shimano motor I have, it really has some rattle. So, 22 Levo Expert. My new right hip feels amazing. So happy to be out riding again. And I really dig my Levo. I think this is probably my favorite. I got to get all three of them and ride them back to back and do a video, but I think this is my kind of my favorite do-it-all e-mountain bike. A little 160 mil up front, 150. It just feels real good everywhere. A little bit of moto, feels still light like an acoustic bike. So 2 big thumbs up at Horns Hill. More videos soon now that I'm back in the saddle.